Welcome to Dr. IT LLC, the channel dedicated to exploring the conjunction of technology, engineering, and spirituality. This channel is dedicated to helping you stay informed about the latest developments in technology and engineering and providing you with insights and tips on troubleshooting IT and systems issues. But we also believe that technology is just one piece of the puzzle. That's why we also explore the spiritual side of life, offering insights and guidance on topics like mindfulness, meditation, and personal growth. Today you'll learn how to add multiple users on Active Directory in Azure AD using PowerShell. Remember, you must practice these skills yourself to learn them. Now let's get started. To add multiple users to Active Directory in Azure AD using PowerShell, you can follow these steps. Open PowerShell as an administrator. Connect to Azure AD using the following command: connect Azure AD. Create a CSV file with the user information. The file should contain columns for the following fields: display name, user principal name, first name, last name, and password. Save the file as users.csv. Import the CSV file into PowerShell using the following command: $users equals import CSV path, cpath, to users.csv. Use a loop to create each user and add them to Azure AD in Active Directory using the new Azure AD user and new AD user CMD lets. Here is an example loop. For each $user in $users, $password equals $user. Password. Convert to secure string as plain text force. $user params equals @ display name equals $user. Display name. User principal name equals $user. User principal name. First name equals $user. First name. Last name equals $user. Last name. Account enabled equals $true. Password equals $password. New Azure AD user at user params. New AD user at user params path, OU equals users, DC equals example, DC equals com. Note: replace OU equals users, DC equals example, DC equals com, with the appropriate path to the OU where you want to create the new users. Verify that the users were created successfully by running the following commands: get Azure AD user, get AD user filter *. These commands will display a list of all the users in Azure AD and Active Directory, respectively. Again, thank you for being a valued subscriber. We now offer IT managed services for individuals and small businesses. As an IT MSP, we can provide you with comprehensive IT support, including remote end-user PC monitoring and management, proactive PC security, VMDR, help desk support for your employees, cloud solutions and data backup. With our services, you can focus on running your business or personal life without worrying about IT issues. If you're interested in learning more about our MSP services, don't hesitate to contact us. We'd be happy to discuss how we can help you with your IT needs. Thank you again for being a subscriber, and we look forward to hearing from you soon. Dr. IT Info. Thanks for watching.